और राइट जनाब, हैशटैग आस्क द मोर के लिए अब लोग हम तैयारी कर रहे हैं. सब लोग अपने अपने फोन जो है वो थाम लें. आज आई वुड लाइक दैट ऑल ऑफ यू हेल्प मी आउट.
आई हैव अ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर सनी भाई. सनी भाई, ये जुहैब क्रिकेट किंग ने एक वीडियो लगाई है आपके देख के आपके ऑनर में, और वो है वीडियो 1975 वर्ल्ड कप की. उसमें
पिछले सेंचुरी की
धुआंधार इनिंग्स थी.
अभी 21st सेंचुरी की बात करें यार.
नहीं बट सनी भाई, अब धुआंधार इनिंग्स थी आपकी.
धुआंधार
36 किया आपने 174 बॉल्स पे. उसकी रीजन क्या थी? क्या वो सिचुएशन राइज थी या क्या था? हमें तो पता नहीं स्कोर कार्ड.
नहीं, बस आगे जाकर मैचेस खेलनी थी ना.
ओके.
उसके लिए थोड़ी सी प्रैक्टिस की जरूरत थी.
यू डिड प्रैक्टिस ऑलराइट.
नेचुरली पूरी इनिंग्स में अगर इफ यू बैट तो प्रैक्टिस होती है ना. तो अगले मैच में देखो, अगले मैच में 65 नॉट आउट इन मेरे ख्याल से कुछ 50-60 गेंदों में की. तो ये जो प्रैक्टिस बनी थी, वो जो पहले मैच की, जो कितने आपने रन बनाए 172 डिलीवरीज के, उसके बाद में देखे ना,
बाद का कोई नहीं बताता हमें. ओके,
बात करें.
ये तो यू हैव टू थिंक लॉन्ग टर्म ना.
या फेयर फेयर.
ये तो
अभी सनी भाई, अभी इन्होंने 96 की बातें नहीं शुरू की. सो जस्ट लीव दिस आउट.
फाइनल किया.
देयर आर दोस
हुन्ना करना असली याद करा.
I have a question from Usman Sikandar.
जी.
Question is for Sunny bhai. Who was the most dangerous bowlers that you faced, and what was your strategy to play that particular bowler, Sunny bhai?
The most dangerous for me was Andy Roberts.
Reason?
Reason was because even with the old ball, he had that unplayable delivery.
Okay.
With the new ball, though, you know, they have the strength, they have the. You don't know if you're batting first, pitch kaisi hogi.
Sure.
Bounce kitna hoga, you don't know. So if they get you out, you know, they're supposed to get you out. But if when you're batting 70, 80 or something, and then he has the ball to get you out, that's why that Andy had, and that is the reason Andy.
Was he a big lad? Big?
Not really big.
Difficult action.
He also didn't have a big run up. Before that, a lot of the West Indian fast bowlers used to have a long run up.
Yeah.
So pehli baar I remember when I went, you know, when we were playing Barbados, not Barbados.
Sure.
And Wesley Hall, who was by that time mid-30s, but we were told the previous day he is still the fastest. For the first 6 overs, he's still the fastest.
Okay.
So I took the first ball, and I looked up, you know, and I saw he was near the side screen.
Oh God.
तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि I've never gone that far for a holiday. तो वो उधर दूर थे. You know, so that is. But then Andy was, you know,
and he was
almost
a big lad, wasn't he?
And Andy was almost like half that run up, and yet he could, you know, generate a great deal of picks.
Okay. Wow. And what about Jeff? What about सारे बात करते हैं the great Jeff Thompson की कि वो भी बहुत तेज था.
He was quick. He was the fastest that I played. Out of everybody, fastest. Maybe because I played him in Australia on Australian pitches.
Yeah.
But he was by far the fastest.
Okay, all right. ये सवाल है अली जैदी का आपके लिए वसीम. और वो अली जैदी साहब हैं, वो कह रहे हैं कि is Ibrahim Zadran's batting because of their new batting coach Yunus Khan's contribution? What we've seen today, a lot of other 40s also scored there.
No, obviously credit goes to Yunus Khan as well. बड़ा one of the greats of the game. Pakistan के अलावा दुनिया के greats of the game. 10,000 plus runs, 30 plus hundreds. And I mean, Yunus का principle, I love his principles. Apart from जो उनका अपना personal है, but as a professional, he's a thorough professional. He's giving 100% and he's with you all the time. तो उसने I suppose अपने प्लेयरों से बात तो की होगी, जैसे आप भी उनके साथ थे, आप भी उनसे बात करते रहते थे. तो yes, congratulations to Yunus as well.
Yeah.
Because मगर वो innings जो थी, जिस stage से उसने वो score किया है और जिस तरीके से score किया है, the balance of his batting, सनी भाई और जड्डू आप बता सकेंगे, जब वो बैटिंग में उसका बैलेंस था, सीधा खड़ा रहा और हर चीज उसे मारी भी सीधी, फिर कट्टे ही मारी मगर सीधे बल्ले से खेले, कोई स्लॉगिंग नहीं की उसने.
There were no cute shots.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of times you see cute shots, and you can get out. Once they come out, you think, oh, great shot. So if you play proper cricketing shots and you have the opportunity in 50, you saw Kohli's 100.
Yeah.
There was nothing, no cute shots, no reverse sweep, nothing, no scoop, just and still 100 run a ball.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, tonight we're also celebrating another achievement. And really, we're very grateful to all of you around the world, wherever you may be, for this fantastic figure that we've achieved. We've gotten now, and we are on match number 7. So 1 week in, basically, that we 7 or 8. We 1 week in, and we have 22 million views across YouTube. for our shows. So that's 22 million views worldwide. So thank you so
Shukriya.
much for watching. Thank you for following us, and thank you for sending in your question. And because of that celebration, today we're going to take about 4 questions from our YouTube channel as well. So you can from today onwards actually, हम आपके YouTube पे जो सवालात हैं वो भी, चूंकि comment section में we see that you write a lot of questions as well.
Yeah.
So now if you write a question in the comment section using hashtag Ask the Room, we will take those questions. Today as well, we are going to take some questions from there. You know, Sunny bhai, this is...
And jalebi also, no?
And jalebi. अरे यार, जलेबी वाली बात तो आप मेरे दिल की बात कर दी आपने. आप बिल्कुल, आप यहाँ ही रुके.
No, celebration.
आप एक काम करें ना, आप यहीं रुके. आप मुझे चाहिए. हाँ, मेरे लिए बहुत फायदा रहेगा वरना ये जो मैं.
सनी भाई, सबसे पहले इसके मुंह में पानी आता है, यकीन है, कोई भी खाने की चीज हो.
ये 5 दिन से ना ये डाइट करने की कोशिश कर रहा है. जब मैं इसकी प्लेट देखूं वो 2 बोटियां पड़ी हो इतने से, और चावल भी नहीं खा रहा, रोटी भी नहीं खा रहा. मैं कह यार बड़ा इंप्रेस है. मैंने आज इधर मुंह किया है, इतनी निहारी डाली हुई थी प्लेट में. एंड देन ही वेंट फॉर अ वॉक एट 4 o'clock. ही मैसेज मी वॉक पे जा रहा हूँ. मैं कहा बेटा वॉक से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ना तुझे.
नहीं, वॉक से मैं आपको आज देता रहा हूँ, तस्वीरें
Yeah, I know
देता
you
रहा
did,
हूँ. वो मुझसे सबूत मांग रहे थे कि तू वॉक पे है कि नहीं, मुझे पता.
पुरानी तस्वीरें होनी है ना, पुरानी.
हाँ, सारी पुरानी तस्वीरें थी. नहीं नहीं.
मैंने तेरे वॉक की जो तस्वीर जो मुझे भेजी उससे मुंह बनाया होता इसने.
Hashtag Ask the Room. अच्छा जनाब, this is अभिनवांकित आपका सवाल है. Hashtag Ask the Room. What difference does it make to have a cricket player to be board president, Saurav Ganguly for instance, than PCB president, someone who comes from administration background? What are the pros and cons of this, gentlemen? Waqar should take that question.
Yeah, I
actually.
think so.
Why? Why should I take
दूसरी क्या थे, चुप करके बैठना है.
Yeah, I'm just talking cricket. Yeah.
No, no.
Go on.
Yeah.
Repeat
So,
the question again.
अभिनवन का सवाल है कि what difference does it make to have a cricket player to be the board head or board president like Saurav Ganguly, then PCB president, someone who comes from administration background? What are the pros and cons of it? क्योंकि एक cricket player है जो जिसने इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट खेली हुई है, और एक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की साइड से आया हुआ है, गवर्नमेंट की साइड से ब्यूरोक्रेट या कोई इस तरह का वो है. So what difference? What are the pros and cons? एक genuine सवाल है, ये
जी,
कोई
जी,
किसी
of
के
course,
वो नहीं
of
है,
course,
इसलिए आप घबराएं नहीं, कोई आपको खतरा नहीं है.
नहीं, वो ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. मैंने सवाल सुना नहीं था ऑनेस्टली. ये है कि क्रिकेट का मैं समझता हूँ कि जो क्रिकेटर है, जो क्रिकेट के जो मैटर्स हैं, वो क्रिकेटर से बेहतर कोई नहीं समझ सकता. ये तो पक्की बात है. वो आप नॉन क्रिकेटर्स को लाएंगे तो क्रिकेटिंग मैटर्स वो नहीं समझ सकता. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन बैकग्राउंड का ये है कि आपके जो commercial side of cricket, international cricket है, he'll probably understand better. बाकी जो और जो क्रिकेट जिस तरह बाकी चलनी है, I feel के PCB का जहाँ तक ताल्लुक है, PCB I think they're moving toward it. There are a lot of cricketers who are being involved in domestic level also. Some big names are also involved in that, and I feel के it is going to work. But it's a matter of time. You have to be patient with that.
All right. CA हर्षल गर्ग आपका सवाल है. हर्षल गर्ग 11 आपका हैशटैग है. वो कह रहे हैं कि can you please ask Ajay Jadeja to demonstrate, Ajay, this is for you specifically, to demonstrate how Rohit has extra time and how he has such short range. What is the secret to his 6 hitting? He has 656s.
And why has he picked me?
I have no idea. He's picked you.
Because it's Rohit he's talking about.
No, but he's saying...
I think he's got I mean, ever since you've seen him, everybody talks about it, that when he's batting, he's effortless. So he doesn't look like a player that has hit so many sixes. And I think the reason for that is because he probably hits most of his sixes not because of power. It's more timing, understanding where a certain ball needs to be hit. And he has a range of the shots that you have. He would hit sixes over covers, mid-off, long on, long off. So he's got a larger range, and maybe that's why he can pick and hit more sixes than someone else. For example, आप पाकिस्तान से हैं, mostly people यहाँ पे, तो शाहिद अफरीदी को एक associate करता है आदमी sixes के लिए, लेकिन सारे sixes आपको एक जगह पे नजर आएंगे या एक गेंद पे. रोहित शर्मा की ability, I think, ऐसी है कि वो टाइमिंग से मारते हैं, तो वो हर गेंदबाज को अलग-अलग जगह मार सकते हैं. और उनका
टाइमिंग नेचुरल होती है कि वो जब आए थे पहली दफा 2007, 8, 9 में ऑस्ट्रेलिया में 70 किया था इन्होंने होबार्ट में, तभी पता लग गया था. हम इकट्ठे कमेंटेट कर रहे थे स्टार के लिए सनी भाई कि ये कोई आगे जाके बड़ा प्लेयर बनने वाला है.
He picks a line and the length very
Is that natural?
Well, yeah, it is.
It is.
It is. In a sense, it's God given. A lot of people work very hard.
Yeah.
But for him, you know, he seems to pick the line and length very quickly, so he gets into that position to be able to hit the cyst, whether it's off the front foot or whether it's
Yeah,
the full
it's
shot.
similar. Reminds me of great Inzamamul Haq.
Yes.
He was
Yeah.
also very effortless. वो इमरान में कहते थे कि ये फास्ट बॉलर के लिए इसके पास टाइम बहुत है. So you know it means that they pick the length quicker than the average person, or average batter.
Yes.
Sunny bhai, the other day you were saying about Babar Azam कि वो अपना जो
Stance का.
stance है वो अपना change करें. He should चूंकि वो अभी थोड़े wide और low base खेल रहे हैं, that he should bring his feet together when he's standing. Elaborate a little bit on more of
Sunny
that.
bhai, मेरे
would
साथ जरा आए ना वहाँ,
उधर please join us on the.
I'll come with Sunny bhai.
Yes, please.
तुझे चुप कर जाओ ना.
This is.
बोले
Ji, so Sunny bhai, about Babar Azam's.
Where's the camera?
Yeah, did you Wasim just say तुसी चुप कर जाओ? Yeah, really? On air?
जी Sunny bhai, you know, standing
So,
up.
so at the moment, you know, the stance is like this.
Yeah.
So with the stance being like this, see,
Yeah.
your head has also gone down.
Yeah.
And if you want to move forward, it's a little easy. But back foot पे जाना है,
Uh-huh.
and a lot of quick bowlers will bowl you that length, they will not bowl you
वो
here.
hard length जो
Hard
कहते हैं.
length, huh? So to be able to go there, you know, your balance, the movement will not be easy.
Okay.
But the moment you get your feet a little close, firstly your height goes up.
Sure.
And once your height goes up, you're able to deal with the shorter ball better.
Okay.
And your movement will also be much quicker.
Okay.
And that is the only thing. So no, it's just a matter of getting the movement right. So this way, you're locked. You
But Sunny bhai, in his defense, वो पिछले 30 साल से, I mean, he's 30 years old, वो कर्नल change हो सकता है ये?
बिल्कुल,
For
क्यों नहीं?
anyone.
Yeah, I think even Kohli.
Yeah.
Kohli also had a big
I remember,
stance.
yeah.
And then he moved it just a little bit, fractionally.
Acha,
but
okay.
that fraction has given him much more better balance and the ability to go forward.
Okay. Thank you very much.
So that is the most important thing. Well, thank you so much, Sunny bhai. Just we keep the bat here. Okay, so we've got a lot of questions here. Nikhil Dio, you have sent us a picture, a very nice picture that has come all the way from the United States of America. I must say the camaraderie in this room is cathartic and stress relieving. Thank you. Here is for Sunny Paji, next to the field named in his honor in the United States of America. We will be honored if the room visits, if all of us visit this place. We got here close up. This is the picture. I know we didn't send it to you, production, but that's the picture right there. There
Where is
you
it?
go.
वो भी पढ़ देना.
ये देखें, huh?
It's in Louisville, Kentucky.
Louisville, Kentucky.
Louisville, Kentucky.
Right.
Who goes to Kentucky?
All those who eat Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Free branding, free branding. All right, folks.
ਅਸੀਂ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਤਾਂ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਵਿੱਕੀ
खैरियत?
ਅਸੀਂ ਅਮਰੀਕਾ ਦਾ ਟੂਰ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਨਾ
Oh, yeah, the 96 tour that you guys are planning on doing. Good luck to both of you. Do send us some postcards.
नहीं आई थॉट यू
No, I thought आप जा रहे हैं साथ में, ऐसे कैसे?
पूरी टीम को बुलाया है आप यही
अच्छा
काम
जी।
करते हो ना
टीम कितने आई?
YouTube के
सर आ गए आपने हमको छोड़ दिया मैंने ये देख
नहीं,
लिया
आज सनी भाई का दिन है ना, तो आज सारे क्वेश्चन उन्हीं के लिए आ रहे हैं.
आज
सनी
उन्हीं के लिए आ रहे हैं ना.
एक और क्वेश्चन आया वो
fair
ज़ुएब, जिसके पास क्रिकेट की बड़ी नॉलेज है, आर्काइव है, उसने आपका वो लगाया जब आपने अपने 10,000 रन किए थे. यू वर द फर्स्ट एवर इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ द गेम हु रीच्ड दैट माइलस्टोन. हाउ वाज दैट डे? व्हाट वाज द फीलिंग ऑन दैट डे?
Oh,
इजाज फकी
absolutely, amazing feeling, fantastic feeling. I mean, to get 10,000 runs, because when I started my career, I didn't even think that I would be able to, if I got 1,000 runs, I would have been very happy.
Really?
Yeah, it was, it wasn't that ambitious, as time goes on. But also, being the first, I said at the end of the day when the media came that, look, there'll be many who will go past.
Yeah.
But like Tenzing and Edmund Hillary are remembered for being the first to
Women.
climb Mount Everest.
Yeah.
The first to get to 10,000
Yep,
will be
that
remembered.
is true.
And now again, if I might add, because we are on a show where maybe I'll take a few minutes.
Sure, please.
I got the opportunity to do so only because of one Imran Khan.
Really?
Now, the year before, in England, after the first test was won, Imran and I, we went with a friend to bang opposite Harrods in London.
Yeah.
There's an Italian restaurant. So we went for a lunch there. At which point, मैंने उनको बताया कि भाई, this is going to be my last, 86 की बात है.
86 की बात है.
एक साल पहले कि this is my last, I'm going to quit after this series. And he said, no, you can't do that. And I said, what do you mean I can't do that? It's my choice. So he said, no, Pakistan is coming to India. And I want to beat India with you playing in it. I don't want, don't want to beat India.
Yeah.
It won't be the same. So I said, no, Pakistan is not coming. He said, no, ICC meeting is happening. You will hear the announcement next week. I said, agar wo announcement hai, then I will carry on.
Yeah.
Okay.
But if the announcement doesn't come, then I will finish. After the next test, I'll finish.
Wow.
Sure enough, announcement came through. And so I carried on. So if I had retired that time, I would have had 9,200, 9,300 runs.
Yeah.
But because of that, before Pakistan came, you were part of that team. There were two other matches, two other series in India. So I got close to 10,000. So if Imran had not told me to carry on,
Rather not thrown that challenge at you, then that's it.
Yeah, but I knew that.
That is really, that's a special story.
Sir,
Because I don't
that
think
is
I've ever heard that before. This
I
is the
never
first
heard
time ever.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Ji.
Although I've had many opportunities, but this conversation is relevant today as well. Very few get the opportunity to even think like that. I've had enough. What is it that a player, in today's day and age would feel that way, that I've had enough?
See, in my case, it was very simple. When we were playing test matches, I would look at the clock while fielding and say another 11 minutes to go for tea time.
Yeah.
Or look towards the end of the day, or another 7 minutes of fielding. And if one day cricket, I used to be fielding, and I would say, 44 overs bowled, another 6 overs of fielding. So that was the time it struck me that I'm not enjoying being on the field. So if I'm not enjoying, quit.
Yeah,
That's
I
what
think
happened.
Thank you.
Same thing happened to me. Last year, I got dropped from Pakistan team in 2003. Then I signed up with Hampshire. That was a silly mistake because I retired from Test cricket 2 years prior to that. And वो Hampshire में पहला मैच उन्होंने मुझे 3-4 day match खिलाया. I bowled 28 overs in a day at the tender age of 36 or 37. I couldn't move when I was walking back to the dressing room. And the next day I had to wake up half an hour earlier to go to the swimming pool. वो Hampshire Rose Bowl के साथ एक उनका है center जहाँ पे pool है to relax and get my muscles going. And after a month, it was actually I realized कि यार अब ground में जाने पे दिल नहीं कर रहा. सुबह उठ के जब brush करता था, शीशा देखता था और I felt like ground फिर जाना है. Then I realized कि time आ गया. It's tough.
It is
but
tough.
Yeah.
It is. It's time to hang your boots. Swarab Pandey Badia, आपका सवाल है और आप कह रहे हैं great to see the legend, Sunny sir, the legend. Love from Kolkata. My question is, what is the reason behind England and Pakistan's downfall in white ball? Is it mainly because of poor bowling performances, or is it because of new coaches' mindset in both the teams?
Well, I think in England's case, perhaps I think they have probably got a little carried away with the attacking approach at the start. So they're not getting the start. In any format of the game, T20, 50 overs, Test cricket, according to me, the platform has to be set. So a platform is set by the opening batters.
Ji.
They get a good start.
Yeah.
And the opening bowlers also. Opening bowlers also, that partnership of opening bowler, they get early wickets.
Yeah.
Then, they've set their team up, which is not what's happening for Pakistan as well as for England.
Okay. Here's another one. Vidit Jain is asking, if Sunny Bhai had to face one among the current bowlers, who would he want to avoid? If you were playing in today's modern day era of cricket, who is that one bowler that you'd not want to be facing? Vidit is asking.
I have a fair idea.
I know. Bumrah.
Bumrah.
He's
Umrah would be a
difficult.
challenge.
Yeah.
But no, I wouldn't say I wouldn't want to face him. Would be a challenge, yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Challenge. So
But then one guy that you'd say, "Nee, yaar, right, you take the strike."
never.
सवाल तुम सर से पूछ रहे हो.
है ना वही मैं कह रहा हूँ. So I think you got your answer there. उस्मान सिकंदर का सवाल है सर आपसे, if you have to pick one from Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, then who would you pick and why? Today they're all coming for you.
So these are all, no. See, I will never compare eras.
Same.
Because, playing conditions are different. The pitches are different, the opposition is different. So it's therefore very difficult to, compare people. But that is only a weakness, if I might call a weakness, amongst the subcontinent, our
Right.
comparisons. We will always compare, players. Have you ever seen anybody asking, is Ricky
No.
Ponting a better player than Greg Chappell?
Yeah.
Was Greg Chappell a better player than Bradman or like that? Nobody. They just accept the current players as they are. There's no comparison.
Right.
Only happens in the subcontinent. We are all the time comparing.
All
Yeah.
right. So
Sorry,
हम अपनों को तो करते ही करते हैं, हम उनको भी कर रहे होते हैं.
सनी भाई मैं आज कौन सी वो टीम के साथ सबसे मजा आता था वो 100 बनाने का, और जिनके बॉलर ऑब्वियसली वो नोक झोंक चलती थी एंड दैट वो इमोशन की इनको आउट करना है, बट आप ऑब्वियसली 100 बनाते थे. व्हाट वाज द मोस्ट प्लीजिंग, कौन सी टीम के साथ खिलाफ 100 बनाने का?
I think West Indies, because their attack was the most formidable, and then also Pakistan, because Pakistan also was a very, very balanced attack. New ball, with Imran, Sarfraz, Sikandar, and then also the spinners Abdul Qadir, Iqbal Qasim, Tausif. It was a very, very balanced attack, and then of course Wasim came in as well. So and it was against Pakistan to get runs was special.
And how difficult for it is to get runs in West Indies, the series you got 200 and 100 in the same test match without wearing a helmet.
अरे helmet, everybody makes it.
I know, आजकल तो यही बात है
But
ना.
why make a big deal about not wearing a helmet? If there is nothing inside to protect, why wear a helmet? लोग भी यार हाय ऐसे वैसे हेलमेट नहीं है, अंदर कुछ है नहीं तो हेलमेट काहे को पहनो?
नहीं ये तो यार, कैन यू इमेजिन?
that's the best answer I've ever heard on an
नहीं, बट सनी भाई बगैर हेलमेट के कितना बड़ा जिगरा है, एंड दैट फास्ट बॉलिंग वेस्ट
वो भी
इंडीज,
West
दैट
Indies
होल
की
एरा.
fast bowling. I mean, yeah.
वैसे क्यों नहीं पहनते सनी भाई? Did you?
नहीं, इन्होंने शुरू
find it
किया था.
obstructing?
See, नहीं कुछ नहीं. Since there were no helmets for the first 7-8 years that I started playing.
Right.
So there was no such thing. हमारे पास when we started we didn't have thigh pad.
नहीं करे यार.
Thigh pad नहीं था, तो thigh pad होटल के जो face towels होते थे, we would put that in our pocket here, and that was our thigh pad to start with.
Really?
My
So
goodness.
Which year was that roughly?
70.
70.
Wow.
So 70, 71. So there was, once you don't have that equipment, you don't even think about wanting it.
Yeah.
So similarly with the helmet, we didn't even think about, wanting to wear a helmet.
All right. Suhail Gagai पूछ रहे हैं सनी भाई आपसे, please tell us something about Javed Miandad. ये है उनका सवाल है टोटल. Please tell us something about Javed Miandad.
As a player,
I know
as a
you-
person.
I think Javed is, one of the finest batters you could have seen. For us, I think his wicket was the most important wicket.
Acha.
Because, you got him out, we knew that, the others could be there. There was, of course, Zaid was there,
Yeah.
Zair was there. There was Mudassar, who scored plenty of runs against us. Plenty. There were other wonderful
Sure.
players. Majid really didn't get going against India in the 2 series that he played. Asif Iqbal was there. So
Mushi bhai bhi the.
Mushi was there. So
Yeah.
there was plenty. But with Javed, you knew, till Javed was around, Pakistan was in the game.
Okay.
It was like that. So Javed could be batting with number 9, 10, 11, but Javed would take them up with him and win the game, as he won that game, that last ball 6, which we
Yeah,
saw
yeah.
in Sharjah. So for me, I think, Javed was the best that I've seen. And, he was a shararati.
Yeah, yeah, off the field.
असल में हम वो जानना चाहते हैं.
इरिटेट भी करते थे, इरिटेट.
He never actually irritated me, because, once I went into a zone, I actually,
Tuned out completely.
tuned out. So we've talked about that room number and all that.
Yeah,
kind of
yeah,
stuff.
yeah,
But,
yeah.
but that match which Pakistan won in Bangalore.
Yeah.
So we were disappointed. We were sitting
Sure.
in our change room, and we could hear all the, Nach Kana and all being going on in the next room, because winning a series in India
Yeah.
for the first time was huge.
Massive.
So after about half an hour, 40 minutes, I think Kapil was a captain. Let's go in their change room and
Yeah.
congratulate. Abhi guys, now what happens is people are lined up at the ground only.
Yeah.
So you shake hands and you go.
That's
Yeah.
it.
But in those days, you sat in your change room.
Yeah.
So we came, we went. And because I had batted for a long time, I was probably almost the last to come into the change room. So as soon as I entered, Javed was there with his hands on his this thing. And then, hey, sorry, Sani bhai, आपको गाली दी, sorry. गाली दी? कब? यार आपके सामने ही तो खड़ा था, सामने होके आपको गाली दी। ऐसे मैंने तो कुछ नहीं सुना। ऐसी बातें कर रहे हैं, इधर तो आपके सामने खड़ा। ऐसे जावेद, मुझे लगा तू सलीम से कुछ बात कर रहा है। सलीम यूसुफ। तू सलीम से कुछ बात कर रहा होगा। ऐसी बातें कर रहे, you know. So he went on about that. नहीं सुना. So Imran saw this going on,
Yeah.
and Imran from behind, you know, you were also in the
I was
chair.
there.
Imran said, "Sunny, any issues?" I said, "No, don't worry."
Just have a normal chat.
And I'm just sorting it out. So you know, so I said, so I really didn't.
तो सर ये उनका और वो दिलीप विंग सारकर भाई का
तो he then आखिरी बार पूछना, सच में कुछ नहीं सुना? तो I said नहीं. तो then तो मैंने ऐसे ही खाली पीले आपको सॉरी बोल दिया.
बगैर किसी वजह की सॉरी बोल
That's the great Javed Mirdad.
That is Javed Mirdad. बशारत बाजवा का सवाल है वसीम भाई आपसे. उन्होंने अपनी तस्वीर भी लगाई है आपके साथ. ये दोबारा जरा क्लोजअप दिखाइएगा. वसीम अकरम को कहीं ये मिले हैं बाजवा साहब. अगर ये आप इस कैमरे में आ जाएं. There you go. There you go.
Okay.
That's him. और उन्होंने सवाल पूछा है आसरूम वसीम भाई.
जी.
कल धानी खेल सकता है?
वैसे आपस की गल विशाल साहब ध्यान नूं खड़ाई दियो.
जरूरी है बिल्कुल. बिल्कुल है. आयशा जावेद आपसे जवाद सॉरी माय अपॉलॉजीज. आयशा जवाद जो है सनी भाई आपसे सवाल पूछ रही है. डियर सनी सर, please tell us when was your last visit to Pakistan and what is your single greatest memory of Pakistan outside the cricket ground?
My last visit, I think, was in 1998. There was a 3-match series. I think both the teams actually,
Yeah.
India and Pakistan teams, flew from Toronto.
Okay.
There was a Toronto that Sahara series. So I
Yeah.
think we all came together on you know, I mean, both the teams came on the same flight maybe from Toronto. So directly to Pakistan. That's I think my last time I visited.
Right.
And
98.
yeah,
1998.
98 or 97.
That's a lot.
सनी भाई आप आएंगे ना आपको इतना खाना खिलाएंगे कि आप
वो छोड़े, वो मेरा डिपार्टमेंट है इनका नहीं है. ये अगर आपके इनके से ये खाना खिलाएंगे तो आप भूखे वापस जाएंगे पाकिस्तान से. आपने मुझसे खाने. आगे चलें सर. And what is your getting a single greatest memory outside the cricket ground in Pakistan?
I think the single greatest memory outside is, for me, was when I was given a rousing welcome at the Gaddafi Stadium when the Pakistan team was being felicitated in 1992 for winning the World Cup. So I was invited by the Pakistan government then
Right.
to join in the celebrations. And, you know, the reception that I got when my name was announced by the whole crowd, that to me has been my most, amazing memory.
Wow.
That's a great memory to share with us. Thank you so much. Ali Ibrahim का सवाल है सर, वो भी आपसे है. How has cricket changed from your era to now? Has the game tilted too much in favors of the batters over bowlers? Is this good for cricket? With more focus on fours and sixes, has the essence of the game been lost?
I don't think so. The game has become far more entertaining because you're getting more results. And as you said, there are a lot less dot balls, if I might say, even in Test cricket, because people are now looking to play shots. People believe they can play shots. So therefore, maybe you don't often find too many 250, 300 runs being scored by an individual batter. That would be the one change. I think the balance needs to be changed in as much as the boundaries have to be increased.
Right.
For television coverage, you have, today you see a ground like this, for example, if this is your ground, your boundary is here. While this is the place where, this could be the fence.
The fence, right.
So there is so much space, but a lot of that space is taken for television cameras, etc.
Yeah.
But even if you still, this is the boundary.
Right.
This is where the LED advertising boards are. So you push the LED advertising boards here, bring it here.
Right.
And I know and I understand because now people do the sliding stop, they can hit their head and all that. So, but I've also said to the ICC that halfway the advertising boards, you can make foam there. Foam ka kare, matlab anybody crashes into it, he does not get seriously injured. Halfway.
Yeah. No, we had this discussion, Sunny bhai, on this show. जब हम देखते हैं even this ICC Champions Trophy, 62 meters, 63 meters, that's not fair.
So a lot of sixes which are hit would be out caught if you push the boundaries back.
70 meters एक रखते हैं पैरामीटर के भाई ये बाउंड्री ग्राउंड अगर बड़ी है तो ये 70 मीटर बाउंड्री होगी हर
Minimum.
ground की.
Minimum.
I agree. Totally.
All right. Okay. Folks, we've got your questions coming in. We know we have a lot of questions coming in. Hashtag Ask the Room. And a lot of them for Sunny Paji. But we've got some jalebi as well. Yes.
I was just going to give you.
Right, sir. Thank you. यही मोहब्बत
आपको
चाहिए.
देने की जरूरत वैसे नहीं है
Sunny bhai, you know, for our winners who are asking us a question, we give them a ball each, which is dispatched by DP World, and it's signed by everybody here. So I would like you to do the honors first from the first ball here, and we'll sign 2 of them. अगर आप sign कर देंगे तो we'd really appreciate it.
नहीं वो जरा I don't like new ball, so please. Sir, I don't like new ball. नहीं,
but
you all sign, once you all sign, वो पुराना हो गया ना फिर.
नहीं, but जो इस टेबल पे हैं, they also don't like the new ball, sir.
They are specialists at the new ball, both these.
इनको choice दो तो they like old balls.
थोड़ा ऐसा
So meanwhile,
ऐसा खुजला हुआ.
meanwhile हम साइन करते हैं. मैं क्वेश्चन पूछ लेता हूँ.
जी.
ये क्वेश्चन है सुहाना का. इनका हैंडल है TEGI 9988 और ये कह रही हैं, my question to Wasim Akram and all of us is why everyone taking advantage of Pakistani cricket legends' knowledge rather than their own country. Today, great Yunus Khan is standing with the Afghanistan team and Pakistan team is out of the tournament. I suppose जॉब तो करनी है ना. उसने मैंने जो भी क्रिकेटर्स हैं दे हैव टू डू देयर जॉब. जहाँ उनको जॉब मिलेगी वहाँ जाएंगे, जहाँ से उनको ऑफर आएगी वो जाएंगे. आई सपोज आई एम श्योर यूनुस खान को अगर पाकिस्तान टीम कहेगी वो डेफिनेटली काम करने को तैयार होंगे. वो थे भी पाकिस्तान टीम के साथ with Waqar as a bowling coach. You guys worked with the Yunus quite a bit. And unfortunately उनको नहीं मिली. That's why he had to go somewhere else and do the job. Am I right, Sunny bhai?
Yeah, I think you have to be, but maybe I think also you need to, if not to do a 365-day job like a coach, come in as a consultant for a particular tour or maybe a camp before a series. If you have a camp of 2 weeks, 3 weeks, there you can do it. I see you when we are, on the ground. Doing, a pre-game show. I see you often running to the bowlers in the Pakistan team. And the other day also you ran.
The other day during the break.
And before they went on to the field to defend their score. And so your interest is there. It's not that you're not interested.
ना मैंने उनको सिर्फ यही कहा था कि guys runs are on the board. ठीक है 240 है मैं runs तो कर ली हैं. So body language, get couple of holy wickets, believe in yourself कि you can defend this total. That was my message to them.
Exactly.
Interest is very much there, sure.
All right.
ये सनी में गेंद पुराना हो गया.
हाँ हो गया पुराना.
प्लस सुनने वाले भी तो होने चाहिए ना.
अच्छा जी.
उनको अगर दिल हो तो वो आपके पास तो आ ही सकते हैं ना.
जी बिल्कुल. मेरा फोन नंबर सबके पास है. जब मर्जी फोन करें. I'm always there to help them.
मैं करता हूँ. आप कभी नहीं हेल्प करते मेरी.
तेरा
इतनी दफा फोन किया आपको.
I doubt कि मैं तेनु bowling सिखा सकना हूँ.
नहीं आप bowling तो मैंने क्या.
आप इनको क्या सिखा सकते हैं? आप
इनको
इनको
रोटी कम खाना.
उसके लिए मैं आपको कॉल नहीं करने वाला. भूल जाएं. All right, अर्ज फोन्सी डीस्टर आपका सवाल है सर आपसे. Would you rather face a Stark bouncer or a Bumrah Yorker? And also, who wins in an arm wrestling match between Fakhr and Wasim? मैं तो नहीं कर सकता.
मैं इसका हाथ तोड़ दूंगा by the way.
मेरा हाथ तोड़ सकते हैं मेरा, लेकिन मैं अगर इन पे बैठ गया तो बस फिर अल्लाह ही रहम करे इन पे. सनी बाजी, what would you rather face a Stark bouncer or a Bumrah Yorker? What would you be? मैं ये खेलना पसंद करूंगा यार. ये बेहतर है.
I think I would really love to face up to Nikhil Chopra's off spin.
आप बड़ा लूटते इसको.
Instead of these two, Nikhil Chopra's off spin I don't mind facing.
Yeah.
There's your answer.
There's your answer. So this is diplomatic. Very nicely done, sir.
No, but both would be difficult to play. That's why I'm saying slightly easier to play.
वो हमारा मद्रास में टेस्ट था.
क्यों बता रहे हैं आप ये स्टोरी?
Against India, Sunny
अरे
bhai was
छोड़े
there.
यार ये स्टोरी ना बताएं. मार्कर वापस करें मेरा. ये भी मुझे वापस करें.
बातें ना काटा कर.
मैंने कौन सी बात काटी आपकी? मैंने आज तक आपकी कोई बात काटी है?
You just did.
No, this was not a cut that I did, bhai.
Yeah.
This is a cut because I have news for you.
Yes.
We are off air because there is a technical issue. That's why.
Okay.
April Fool.
Serious हो गए थे भाईजान.
ये सनी भाई 2 बार ही कर चुके हैं हमारे साथ.
Not one, but we've got a special extra ball that has been signed by Sir himself right here. Thank you, sir, because this will be given to another winner. We're going to have 2 winners today, right? अगला सवाल जो है वो अली इब्राहिम का है. अली इब्राहिम आप पूछ रहे हैं सनी सर से, सनी भाई आपकी जवानी का राज क्या है?
ओहो।
एक्चुअल सवाल है आपकी
एक
जवानी
बॉल
का
तो
राज
भिजवा दो इनको एक बॉल तो बनती है
क्या है? अली इब्राहिम इज राइट ऑन टॉप देयर। आपकी जवानी का राज क्या है सर? बताना तो पड़ेगा।
And you work. I mean, you travel, you work. I've seen you. अभी वर्ल्ड का अभी कहाँ थे हम इकट्ठे?
देखिए
ऑस्ट्रेलिया में. You working for 7, then you working for Star, then you working for a radio on the same day. That take a lot of.
that is the only way I watch cricket.
Okay,
I don't watch cricket नहीं तो.
sure.
Even when I was playing also,
Yeah.
I used to, you've seen me, I used to always carry 2 novels with me.
I remember, yeah.
In case I got out early,
Yeah.
then I would read the novel in the change room.
Scorecard पे नजर थी?
With the television in the room, you were in touch with the game.
Yeah.
Then go out and watch the game for half an hour, then come back to the change room, reply to, fan letters, sign all those autograph books and all would come. So I was never a ball-by-ball watcher of the game.
Okay.
So by doing commentary for 2-3 different channels or radios, then I'm watching the game.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's the only thing. Otherwise, what do I do? Just sit down there and watch a little bit.
Yeah.
Now, unless of course there's a challenge. Like for example, if Wasim Akram is bowling to Sachin Tendulkar, Waqar and Wasim bowling to Sachin Tendulkar, then I'll be glued.
Yeah.
I'd be and to Rahul Dravid or even a Sehwag. I would love to watch every ball, how they are coping up with it and all that. But if that is not happening, then so
और जवानी का राज?
जवानी का राज।
hair color. hair color.
So simple
Modest,
and
modest.
precise
Very
and modest.
modest.
You're super fit, mashallah.
But
and
if
you're
I
just
may,
taking-
we've always seen, Sunny Bhai smiling, enjoying, and, on and off the field. I mean, commentary, we're very fortunate to share the comments with him. But Sunny Bhai को हमेशा match के बाद भी देखा.
And maybe-
खुश, and he keeps everybody, light-hearted.
Yeah.
Because I think maybe I learned very early, once you got into this this other, career of broadcasting, not to take yourself seriously.
Fair.
I don't take myself seriously. I don't think that whatever I say needs to be taken seriously by the others. I will try and give, comments as I see it.
Yeah.
But if somebody doesn't accept it, somebody doesn't, okay, no big deal.
Bhai,
It's
you-
not an ego issue with me at all.
You're a natural for this dressing room. Because हमें भी कोई seriously नहीं लेता
तो
और
इसीलिए-
हम कहते हैं हमें लिया भी ना करो कोई seriously
इसीलिए when Vaz asked me,
जी.
that is, I said, yeah, because I've seen this program once. This is great fun. And
Yes.
it's been great fun so far, and I hope it's been great fun for you. as
Oh, it
well.
has
Yeah.
been. It has been. So, जवानी का राज अली इब्राहिम आपका सवाल था. Sublimely strong, strong 5'2", 7'2". Sunny bhai, for you, if you were not a cricketer, what else you might be and still be satisfied? Another career and you would still be satisfied. That's
I would have loved to be a doctor.
ooh. That's
My auntie, my father's younger sister was a doctor, and so when I was a little kid, my mother would take to her clinic, and I would, the clinic was in a slightly financially challenged, sector,
जी.
and so the patients that would come there, I never saw my auntie, charge anything for the patients. Those were the days of the compounder who did the
Yeah, yeah,
medicine, in a bowl, that kind of thing. But the reverence with which all those people would look at my auntie, like for them, those financially challenged people, for them she was like,
Yes.
a goddess. So that made me want to, quick, get into that. But wanted to be a doctor at that stage. But by the time I was in the third, fourth standard, I realized I didn't have the kidney to become a doctor.
जी.
So I
नहीं, विकी की वाइफ, विकी का बेटा, बेटी, they अभी
think it's the greatest profession in the world.
It is.
The most noble, honorable.
Noble, honorable, greatest profession. That's what I wanted to be.
So you would have
But
been a doctor. That would be amazing.
I would have been a doctor.
That's
But Abhi, dekho, there is something, in this, there's some justice somewhere happening. So I didn't become a doctor, but I've got 5 doctorates from 5 different universities. So I can use the word
that's
doctor,
nice.
doctor, Sunil Gavaskar.
5 times. डॉक्टर साहब एक चीज बताएं.
आप बताएं.
इनकी गोल्फ का क्या इलाज हो सकता है?
गोल्फ का एक ही इलाज है कि ये जो उनका जो आगे वाला हाथ है ना, वो मतलब टॉप एल्बो जो है, वो एल्बो को थोड़ा सा ऐसा करे ना और ऐसा हाथ करे, जैसे कि आप गियर डालते हैं ना गाड़ी में, वैसा करेंगे ना तो पूरी तरह से लंबी जाएगी शॉट।
उसकी एल्बो आज खराब हो गई इस जगह। उसने 2-3 गेयर बदले ऐसे।
टेनिस elbow type का माहौल यहाँ पर
फारे
जो
हो
है
गए,
ना
फारे
बन गया है. All right, guys, so we got to decide quickly who do we think it deserves these two signed memorabilia
Yeah,
that we have. So I think एक तो वो जो सवाल था आयशा.
वैसे मैं सजेशन करूं,
हाँ.
आई थिंक ना करें, सर से पूछ लें.
सर आप बताएं कि which was the question that you enjoyed the most?
पहले याद कराएं उनको सारे।
No, I think the question, you know, about what was my best memory of Pakistan.
Okay, that's Aisha Jawad.
Yeah, I think
right?
that
was all right. Perfect. That's one. So we give her the fully signed.
दूसरा जवानी मस्तानी।
दूसरा जवानी वाला होना चाहिए या ये
No, दूसरा I let you.
दूसरा फिर क्या होना चाहिए? Alternate career वाला होना चाहिए, जवानी वाला होना चाहिए या क्या होना चाहिए? Waseem?
Jawani wala was funny.
Jawani wala is funny.
Was nice,
Ali
good
Ibrahim.
answer.
So congratulations, Ali Ibrahim. You and Aisha Jawad, both of you, you won these balls from DP World. They are signed by these legends here, and they are going to be dispatched on the truck to DP World.
शुक्र बंदे ने आज वॉक कितनी है ना.
And there you go.
मजा आने लग गया वॉक.
There you go. These two will be sent to you by DP World, dispatched by DP World. We have a special guest here today who has been an absolute delight. Thank you so much for your presence, for your time, for your presence and time.